Welcome to the Metso site in Macon, France, to celebrate 120 years of innovation and industrial production in the Mâconnais area. We are frequently being asked why we occupy 50,000 square meters, only 3 city blocks away from downtown Macon along the Saône River. History reveals it wasn't always like this. In 1885, Joseph Bruno, owner of a wood and iron plant located on this very site, hired a young engineer, Jean Marcie Bergaud, to develop the iron plant and foundry activity. "11 years later, Jean Marcie Bergaud marries the owner's only daughter. The company name changes to Bergaud&Bruno. He begins a series of investments to address new markets related to railway and automobile transportation, particularly road construction. The first impact crushers were produced in 1906. Focus is put on developing the crushing activity and expanding the plant. World War I breaks out. The factory participates in the war effort by manufacturing weapons and building roads for the military convoys on the battlefront. The first mobile groups are being produced. In 1919, Atelier Bergaud Macon, abridged to ABM, becomes the French leader in crushing machines, employing 100 people. In 1931, the diesel version of the mobile group is launched. Participation at the Colonial Exhibition in Paris. 2 new machines enrich the product range, the gravilleur and the vertical gyratory crusher. An important sales network is set up in France. During the difficult years of the Second World War, the company, under the administration of Henry Cancel, designs and manufactures the first PG-20 gyratory crushers. During the post-war years, ABM starts to produce single-toggle jaw crushers. Maurice Labruyère joins the board of directors. Conception and design of the first mobile group on tires, the Vibro. In the 50s, the company enforces its position in offering complete crushing and screening expertise, paving the way for customer after-sales services. The acquisition of the license for Siemens crushers in 1954 triggers the company's worldwide growth, requiring an efficient international sales network. In 1958, extending the workshops with 2 additional steelworks manufacturing facilities. In the 1960s, the company expands its business abroad, particularly in French-speaking Africa and Asia. Bergaud becomes the leading French crushing manufacturer. During this decade, a 4th assembly hall and new offices are built. In 1975, the Labruyère family exchanged the shares of Atelier Bergaud Macon for shares in the American group Rexnord. ABM enters Nordberg, Europe. The company is now called Bergaud. Between 1977 and 1987, in certain years, up to 80% of the net sales is generated by exports, 40% coming from oil-producing countries. The company employs up to 700 employees in the mid-1980s. 1987, the company changes hands, becoming Finnish-owned as Nordberg Europe business is acquired by the Finnish group Rauma Repola. The company is now called Nordberg Bergaud. Product and process engineering of complete plants is developed worldwide with the construction of dams, nuclear centers, airports, and for the minerals industry. Client demands for high-quality output and efficiency, favors the research and development of innovative products, for example, the new HP cone crushers, world leader yet today, as well as new product ranges for impact crushers and screens. These 3 product ranges are still being produced on the Macon site. Rauma, which became an independent group since 1991, merges with Valmet, a Finnish group specialized in design and manufacturing of pulp and paper machinery. Metso is born. Metso is also the Finnish name for the grouse. known for its robustness and strength as our machines. Metso is present with its products, installations, and customer services worldwide. From France to China, from Australia to Siberia, from Algeria to South Africa, from Saudi Arabia to Russia. For more than 120 years, we as Metso employees are proud to invest our knowledge and expertise to serve our customers by providing sustainable and innovative solutions. It's the Metso way.